I tried dating women my age. That's the hardest in the world.
Oh man.
They stuck in their ways. They wonder why they can't keep a man.
Now look, now you know they gonna get you for this now.
I wouldn't give a damn. Them old hoes need to lower their standards and realize that unless you want to
Trick, no.
unless them hoes unless they want a swap out, that's a swap out artist, unless them want a yes man or a paymaster, the sugar daddy with no sugar. Yeah, sweet and low. I'm not doing whatever you don't do, you don't get paid for. Like, stop always complaining. Like, for real. Them old stuck in their way. I asked her, where you at? You ain't my dad. I hope I'm not your daddy. I want to know where you at in case you get in an accident, in case you get a flat tire. I'm not. See, women want to get treated like I can't. I don't like. I'm going to treat you like I treat any kind of way. You want to get treated equal. So you telling me you want to get treated like you can never be me. If a man gonna be a man, are you really a woman? Why you don't cook? Why you don't pay more attention to me like you pay attention to your eyelashes? A 50-year-old ain't got no baby here. Why do you wait till you were 45 to get braces? It's there like you 45 years old to get braces. And now you got your little daughter, 21, getting her body done. 23, and she 23 years old, and she got a you ain't even have a baby yet. That's a drop. You got to get them done again. You understand what I'm saying? Like, ain't no 40 years old. 45, you ain't got baby hairs. Those are not baby hairs.
So what's your demo?
I want to leave something. I can raise, because you can't re-raise nobody. Somebody can raise somebody that appreciate me. Somebody that can learn them something. You know what I'm saying? Show them how to work hard. Show them how to accomplish it. You can't. This is what women my age do. They go to other neighborhoods. They move from Miami to Atlanta, from Atlanta to Miami. You still a hoe.
Trying to start up.
You can't run the miles back on that pussy. You cannot turn the miles back on that pussy. So they want to be able to say, I bet you none of your friends ain't. Yeah, his friend, her friend, her brother, her daddy, everybody else. So you're avoiding my friends.
First of all, man, huge shout out to Trick, man. Trick is a very, very funny, very entertaining guy. And I believe he was one of the reasons why one of my videos went viral about a year ago. So, man, huge shout out to him. Now, he's actually one of those people that I would say, like, if you listening to him talk, I think that he's right on a lot of different things, but I feel like he be digging himself in the hole sometimes. Like, bro, just clip it. Like, just shut up at a certain point. Like, you can agree with him for like the first 15 seconds, and then he'll fly completely off the handle. You just like, yeah, I don't rock with that. I don't know what the hell. I don't know what the hell my boy talking about, but but I get it though. You know, living that type of lifestyle that he lives or whatever, you know, he's in the industry. And so I believe that he's gonna be dealing with a lot of different type of women with different mindsets or whatever. And I think that, you know, he probably ran into a lot of women that thought the way that he was speaking, you know what I mean? They thought that, you know, it was okay to get, or their daughters to get their breasts done at 23, which again is freaking insane, man. But honestly, when I look at, again, it depends on what type of circle you're in, because I think that the women that I have around me or whatever, I know they don't think like that, right? But I do, and I have seen people on social media from, you know, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, women that speak, that think, that act just like what he's talking about. And it's so crazy because when you look at a lot of those young ladies, they're not even necessarily like in that industry. When I think about it, like, yo, these are just regular people that work regular jobs, but they've been consuming so much content that they think stuff like this is like it's supposed to go like this. You know, getting your breasts done and not understanding that, you know, it's okay to change certain things about you. You know, if you're overweight, then I'm not saying go to a doctor. No, just do it the natural way. Get your butt out there, work out to get in shape, to work on those things that you can work on, right? instead of focusing on a lot of the other BS, what people need to understand is you're gonna have to do that work up under the hood. Focus on what's up under the hood, that mindset. What I think is really, really important, the things that's going to help sustain a future relationship with somebody or whatever, in order for you to be able to work with other people, other individuals, you're gonna have to work on you. You're gonna have to go up under the hood. Yeah, you can have the mini blonde eyelashes, the longest weave, the longest nails, and all of that other stuff. And I can't really speak to the men that I'm around. That may look good or be okay for some guys, but again, when you're trying to establish and have a long-term relationship with someone, then it's going to require a lot of that stuff up under the hood. That surface BS is going to go out the window just like that. Wait, just like that. There we go. It's going to go out the window just like that. So once all of that stuff has been, or get out the way, then what do you have? What do you have that's going to keep the type of man that you may value? He said he tried to date women his age. Now, I will say this as a younger guy, that oftentimes, especially when I hit 21, you didn't catch me with somebody that was my age. Every woman that I dated was at least in her 30s, all right? Somewhere between early 30s, late 30s. Like, those are the type of women that I prefer to have around me. Why? Because I would agree with him, in some way, shape, form, or fashion, they were kind of stuck in their ways, but I didn't have to worry about those women asking me or begging me for anything. Most of the women that were my age, they were so needy. They wanted. I'm like, yo, bro, we not doing that. I'm not no paymaster. Again, I'm not, putting Trick Daddy down. If that's what he do, that's what he do. Me personally, I'm not putting any money in any woman's hands. I'm not doing it. Listen, I'm known for, going on trips and everything is paid for. If you with me, we good. But as far as me putting money in a woman's hands, yeah, no, I'm not freaking doing it. I'm not about to do it, man. Forget that. I'm here for a good time, not a long time. You know what I'm saying? Especially at that age. I mean, now, completely different. But yeah, man, I want to hear from you guys. What do y'all think, man? Do y'all think that Trick Daddy was off, what he was saying about not just the older women, but just women in general? Have y'all encountered these young ladies? I would absolutely love to hear from y'all. Y'all let me know what y'all think down in the comments, all right? Until the next time, y'all be blessed, y'all be beautiful, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up, tan skin, mixed race, buttercup, Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna, whoa, too bad was they